Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. So from Facebook, you want to go to the three-bar section up here. And then on the three-bar section up here, you want to go to settings. On settings, you want to go to account centers. On account centers, you want to scroll down and you want to go to personal details. On personal details, you want to go to account ownership and control. On account ownership and control, you want to go to deactivation or deletion. On deactivation or deletion, pick your current Facebook account you want to delete. Deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. Now from here, you can pick either you can deactivate your account or delete your account. Of course, we want to delete our Facebook account, so we're going to pick that. Be warned that deleting your account will be permanent. So when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on Facebook. So it'll all be gone. Your DMs, all of your posts, it'll all be deleted along with it as well. If you're sure, you can just click on continue here, and then your Facebook account will be deleted. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.